Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love making different types of desserts or you love baked goodies, you love to have some baking tips, in short, everything related to baking, then subscribe to my channel not to miss my new and latest uploads. And also find me on Instagram and Facebook for more pictures, videos and live updates. So today I am making another cherry dessert for you, and believe me, this is going to be the last cherry video of the season. So today we are going to make cherry brownies. So let's get started. So to begin, first of all, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and then we are going to melt our butter and chocolate in a double boiler. So over a saucepan of simmering water, I have kept a heat-proof bowl, and into this I have added my butter and dark chocolate, and I'm also adding some light brown sugar into this. Just give it a stir and just wait for everything to melt properly. So this has been melted properly, and now I'm going to take this off from the heat, and in a separate bowl I'm going to sieve my dry ingredients. So here goes the all-purpose flour, the cocoa powder, so here goes the baking powder, and just sift all of these together. This is the reason we sift the flour and the cocoa powder, because cocoa powder tends to have some lumps. So sifting makes it easier for us to use the cocoa powder in our baking. I'm also adding some instant coffee into this. This is going to enhance the flavor of the chocolate in our brownies. So just give it a quick mix. Just mix till everything is combined properly. So now I have these 3 eggs. I'm sorry if they have been beaten by themselves because of the heat, and into this I have added some vanilla extract. Just give it a mix with a fork, or you can also use your wire whisk. So we don't need very hard whisking here, so I'm just using a fork. And now I'm bringing my chocolate mixture back, and I'm going to add my dry ingredients into this, in 2 portions. So here goes the half of the flour mixture. Just mix it. Believe me, these brownies are the ultimate ones. I know this time I'm late using cherries in my baking, because I was having a lot of cherries in my fridge, but whenever the season comes, do try this. I am going to definitely remind you next time. So here goes the rest of the flour. Again, mix and mix. These are very easy brownies, nothing, you just have to take all the ingredients and mix them and bake them. Nothing fancy about it. And here goes the egg and the vanilla mixture. And again, mix and mix. Now the star ingredient of this recipe, are cherries. I have pitted them and I have cut them into halves. I'm also adding some roughly chopped milk chocolate. This is going to again enhance the flavor of the brownies. So again, a quick mix. See how beautiful they are looking. I love when I add fresh fruit in my baking. I really love it. Do let me know what else fruit you want me to bake with. I'll be really glad to bake it for you because I myself love baking with fresh fruits, as I said earlier. So do let me know in the comment section below which fruit you want. So these are ready, and now I'm going to take my tin. This is 8-inch square tin which has been lined with parchment paper. Do not forget to line with parchment paper because this helps to take our brownies out of the tin. So just shift all the batter in the cake tin. So just level this up so that it's baked evenly. So once it's all leveled up, I will be putting it in my preheated oven and bake for about 20-25 minutes. But I would suggest you to keep a check after 20 minutes as every oven is different. So it may be done in few minutes earlier or may take few more minutes. But in any case, we don't want to over bake them. So into the oven. Ta-da! Our chocolate cherry brownie is now ready. It took 30 minutes in my oven. So let it cool for about 15 minutes and then we will cut the slices. So I've taken this out of the pan as they were cooled enough, and now I'm going to slice it. So these are going to make about 16 square brownies. Okay, so what I'm doing here is that I'm really sorry I was not able to show this. I'm cleaning the knife after every cut because this way the brownies are neatly cut because they are very fudgy, so the chocolate tends to stick with the knife. So wiping off the chocolate from the knife in between the cuts really helps. Okay, the brownies are so tempting that I just want to stop everything and gobble, a slice. So here is our brownie, that fudgy and gooey brownie that we always crave for. See? So it's really worth spending those 35 to 40 minutes in preparation and baking these brownies because these are really amazing. So I hope you like this cherry brownie recipe, and if you like it, do not waste any more time and just give this video a big thumbs up. And also those who are new here, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for watching many more such easy and yummy dessert recipes. So until we meet again, take good care of yourself and keep on baking.